How to answer. Tell me about a failure. Why interviewers ask this? They are not testing failure. They are testing accountability, learning mindset, growth. Biggest mistake: blaming others, crossmark. Avoiding responsibility, crossmark. Perfect structure, failure, right pointing arrow, learning, right pointing arrow. Improvement. Step 1. Explain failure, be honest, pick a real situation example. A project delay, a wrong decision, a technical mistake. Step 2. Take responsibility, say what you did wrong, not team issue, crossmark. External problem, crossmark. Step 3. Show learning, what did you learn? Time management, better planning, communication. Step 4. Show improvement, what did you change? New approach, better execution, stronger mindset. Example answer. I faced a delay in completing a project due to poor planning. I underestimated the effort required. After that, I started breaking tasks into smaller parts and planning timelines better. This improved my delivery in later projects. What interviewers see: honesty, growth, responsibility. The final type, failure, is normal. Learning from it makes you valuable. Rocket.